Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Live Simple.
Live Free.
Yeah.
And we get a lot of questions all the time about how Pop is doing, how my dad is doing.
Yeah.
And quite frankly, we get so many we just can't answer them all individually, so we want to do these.
I try.
We want to do these updates occasionally.
Yeah.
When all of this first started, just before Christmas.
Just right at Christmas,
Yeah.
yes.
He went into the hospital, and he was there for a couple weeks, I think, and then they
A long time, yeah.
decided that he needed to be in hospice because he wasn't doing very well.
Yeah. Yeah, he went from just needing to be in the hospital to them calling me and saying that we really needed to put him in hospice.
Yeah. And so he was there a little while longer until, I guess, the insurance issues, I don't know what all, but anyway.
Well, yeah, the time came where the insurance didn't want him to be in the hospital under hospice anymore.
Right. So then he was moved to a local nursing care facility.
Yeah, it's like a skilled nursing facility.
Right. So he's been there.
Rehab.
He's been there for a while now, and he's still in hospice.
Yeah.
But just recently, well, when he was in hospice, or when they first put him in hospice, he wasn't eating a thing. He had lost 30 pounds or something. He was down to 100 and.
He was 114, the lowest I know of, which is really thin for him.
But just recently, within the past week or so, he's kind of started to rally a little bit.
Yeah.
He started to eat more food, though I'm not sure how much more, but he's eating more than he used to.
Starting to drink more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so he's still in hospice, but we're not really sure what's going on.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not sure what's going to happen at this point. The hospice people are just kind of watching and evaluating where they think he's at. Whether he's still, how much longer, how much longer he would need to be in hospice.
Right.
They're working with that really carefully.
So we're just kind of letting some time go by and just see how he does. And is this rally a permanent thing, or is it just kind of a, last hurrah kind of thing?
Yeah, I don't know.
So
the fact that he's eating again is amazingly good.
At this point, he's still in hospice, but we don't know what's happening. So that's why we haven't really given you much updates, because we don't know what to say.
Right. Right. And like I said, we're still able to like FaceTime, and talk to him really quite often. And I get lots of calls and interaction from the nurses and everybody that's taking care of him, And so yeah, he'll be 90 coming up in May, and we just have to see what happens. I mean, the fact that he's eating and drinking is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it. It's a very short video. We just kind of
Right.
wanted to give you an update because I know a lot of you are wondering about it, and we appreciate that you all care for us and your prayers.
Yes, very much so. So,
And
go ahead. I was going to say, I wish they could see that big old cat in your lap
I
here.
got this.
There you are. Yeah.
He's in my lap, just out of the picture. Anyway, so we will keep you updated as things progress and as we have something to tell you. So
Right. Yeah, we're just, listening to the doctors, listening to the staff, and I know, I don't know. All right.
All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for caring. We love you guys.
Yeah. Thanks for your prayers. Yeah. I know this isn't a super exciting video, but we did want to let you know, what's happening, and tell you that we appreciate you very much.
Yeah.
All right.
You be blessed.
You too. Yeah, you too. Yeah, you too. Love you guys. I am a walking blooper reel. Love you guys.
All right.
So
We'll talk to you next time.
Bye-bye.